Hair Salon is located at 907 West Douglas. We really have a great atmosphere here. Most clients feel very comfortable when they come in.
Very comfortable. We can talk about business, we can talk about friends. I would describe it as the place to go, that they know the current styles, they keep up on everything, on the new trends. I recommend this to everybody.
I love it. Now that's the look we were going for.
Very well-educated stylist. We really stay focused on continuing education to keep advanced in all the new and latest technology as well as trends and looks that are out.
Let's do something with a little attitude.
They each focus on specific things, foiling versus all over color.
Do you like it?
We have some girls who really like soft styles, more classic looks.
It's just the way I want it every time I come here.
If you want something that's going to look more like a celebrity and like a movie star versus someone who's going to be in a rock band and have that punk look and that fun edginess.
Today I think we're going to try something fun and new.
You could shop a little bit and browse and get some ideas on the new fashions and the new styles going on.